Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and I want to say thank you for joining us on video number 8 on the ongoing series on how to rewire your 1972 Super Beetle. So today we're going to deal with wiring the headlight on the right front. It's identical to the left front, but just a different color wire. So grab a drink, come join us, and we'll take you on the journey on finishing up fuse number 3, video number 7. So let's knock this one out pretty quick. Should be a short video. So we're gonna go from the headlight. That's it. It's gonna be identical to the left front, so it's gonna come off this wiring cover. It's going to go down. It's going to go into the wiring casing, which is going to go under the fuel tank. Right here would be your spare tire. It's going to go up the to follow the wire connection into the loom, under the brake reservoir, behind the hinge there, the hood hinge, and it's going to come out of that big harness as you see right there. It's going to be the black and yellow wire, which you can see I've already got wired up. It's going to be the third fuse, and it's going to be the one on the back closest to the windshield. And what we did on the other, and that actually completes the whole entire back part. That's a 14 gauge wire. Let's see if I can get a better. It's a yellow with the black stripe. So give me just a minute and we'll work on the front wire. Alright everybody, we're back. Now on the front of that fuse, meaning the front of the fuse, meaning in front towards the front bumper of the car, there's going to be an all yellow wire. I couldn't find an all yellow one, so this is the only 14 gauge wire I could find that was close. So it's going to be an all yellow wire, and it's going to hook into the dimmer relay. Now, Volkswagen makes this really convenient. They put a wiring schematic on the dimmer relay. This is a factory piece. So it goes to this is just like the ignition switch and the turn signal switch. Let's see if I can get a little better, there you go. It goes to 56B. Let's see if I can look at the wiring diagram for you a little bit better. Okay, we are currently right into this. So we're going to go in the front of the fuse, and it's going to connect right into the relay, just like so. And we'll go back to the car and I'll show you how to finish this fuse up. Alright, we're back into the under the hood again. Now on the 1972 Super Beetle, it's got a top rack, or a bi-level they call it, and that's where all the relays, buzzers, and stuff like that, dimmers. In this situation, it's the headlight dimmer. Headlight dimmer. So that wire that we just showed you comes off the 56 port or line, gets plugged in underneath there, and comes out and sits into the front of the fuse, meaning towards the front of the car, and that completes the whole entire fuse number 3. So as always guys, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment or don't. Like I said, we'll catch you on the next video. That should be number 9. It's going to be fuse number 4. So as always, God bless you, God bless your family, God bless our great nation, and we'll catch you on the next video.